Did you know that by taking one step during your pregnancy, you can pass protection to your baby against RSV? RSV is a contagious virus that infects the nose, throat, and lungs. And it is so common that children get it by the time they reach 2 years of age. I will break down the data on why maternal vaccination is a game changer for you and your baby's health. A new study has confirmed that maternal RSV vaccination is safe and effective. It works by boosting your antibodies, which are then transferred to your baby even before he is born. The study looked at infant immunization after birth as well. Both options, maternal vaccination and infant immunization, are well tolerated and provide defense during your baby's vulnerable first month of life. If you're expecting or have a newborn and you want to cut through the confusion and know your options for protection, I'm here to help. Book your consultation today.